Hey, welcome back to another video. We are off to another event today. Not really sure what this one is exactly. It's called the Block Party. It's being thrown by a performance shop over in Queens. So right now I am on my way to go meet up with Tukes, and then we're gonna roll out over there. I'm sure that based off it being a performance shop, we're gonna see some pretty cool stuff over there. So that's enough talking for now. Let's get on the way. We're gonna be stuck in traffic for a minute. Hey, so it just started raining a little bit. You know, me and Tukes just washed our cars earlier, so you know that had to happen, of course. It looks like it's just a little bit of drizzle though. It doesn't look like it's gonna keep going. We'll see how the day goes, because this might be a bust. Ah, look who it is! Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
How's it going?
Good.
What are you up to?
It's a little tight in there, I ain't gonna lie.
I see that.
Sorry, man.
I mean, they said they could fit 15 more cars.
I hope you're part of the 15.
I'm making myself part of the 15.
Yeah, that's basically what Tuke said. He said, we'll figure it out.
It's all good. We getting in. We are moving. Hey, look who it is. Got the whole gang here today. Hello, friend.
Oh,
How are you?
it looks great.
Thank you.
I like the wheels.
Yeah. This is my second time bringing it out to like a meet or
Glad
show.
to see it.
Yo, look at little homie. Hello. You're so cute. You're so cute. Can I pet him? Hi. Oh, it's okay. Hi. Yo, it's about time. I've been looking for you guys. Well, I mean, I haven't really been looking, but I've been keeping my eye out if you walk past me. My guy's flexing on everybody with the doors. That's gonna be you. That's gonna be you with the i8. Hey, yo. Oh, little man in the passenger seat. What's up? All right, so we got my guy, Mr. G80 up in here. What do we got here? What do we got?
Full bolt-on 2022 G80 M3.
We have a shop right there.
Catless downpipes, front-mounted intake, R44 catback exhaust, running on air suspension, air lift, and then you know a bunch of little goodies here and there.
How long did it take you to build this?
I went a little crazy. I did it in about 6 months. Let's do it.
It's looking good.
Thank you.
Looks sick.
He's only putting people.
I feel like it's like hardware.
He's got the whole bag set up in the trunk and everything. We got the Valeside RX-7. Yo.
Different though. I ain't gonna front though.
Yo.
Different. No, Jay.
That thing's crazy. The splitter on this thing is a little aggressive. That thing's, oh my God, look at the wing. Yo, he better take this thing to the track. Shit. Let's go check out this nice Phantom wide body Supra over here. This is Dan's girlfriend's sister's car. This one is the only other one that I've seen besides that one earlier. And this is my first time seeing it in person. Very aggressive. Oh, we got the MK4. Forged carbon valve cover. We got the carbon intake. This thing is wild. Some more Subi love for all my Subi people. We got the Hawkeye. Got the Beamer back there. Some Audis. We got a little bit of everything out here. Oh, I got rolling through with the R33. Oh, we got the Porsche out here. It's on Workmeisters. Damn, I like the color on this thing. I'm not a big fan of like red, but this one's like different. Is that a Supra? Yo, these are the wheels I wanted to get for the Supra. Let me know. Drop down in the comments. What do you think? Should I grab a pair of these for the Supra? Damn, yeah. So this is what my wheels should look like, but I have. So there's a little look at what type of cars we got around here in New York, what's going on over here in the car scene. So if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.